Today in the Lug Nut, I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to fix stripped screw holes in old factory trim parts with nothing but a torch and a pair of pliers. Alright, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do a real quick fix on a hole that is stripped. That one in the middle there is actually stripped. It's on an old part that isn't super readily available. Instead of using zip ties or a bigger screw, a lot of times you put a bigger screw in that hole and it's going to crack it out. So what you'll do is take a little torch and heat your part up, grab your pliers, and you literally just squeeze it down. You don't want to do it all the way, but just enough so that it's going to grab the threads. I mean, this is just a dash vent is all it is. It's not like it's supporting any load. It looks kind of ugly, but I also am super cheap and I don't want to have to go buy another one of these. That one you can see is already heated up and cooled off. Yeah, it works just absolutely fine. It's a real simple repair. A lot of times I've tried different epoxies and plastic welds and stuff like that. At the end of the day, it takes a lot more time. So that's it. Well, there you go. Another simple fix for a common problem. If you like what you saw, click that old like and subscribe button down at the bottom. I'm Dave with the Lug Nut. Thanks for watching.